Hello there, my dear friends. It's fantastic to see you again. This is Rob from Full Life, and you are tuned into FLTV. I'm so sorry. I am really quite tired. I did not sleep very well last night. Most of my nights I've been sleeping really quite nicely, but just last night I couldn't fall asleep, and so today I'm really quite tired. But I have some really exciting things to chat about. Today on FLTV, we are going to learn how to travel through time. Excuse me. Now I know what a lot of you are going to say right off the bat. Time travel, Rob, it's impossible. Oh, it's impossible. You can't possibly travel through time. We don't even have the technology to travel through time. Oh, where's your time machine, Rob? Where's your flux capacitor, Rob? Yeah. Well, guess what? Did you wake up this morning and now is it a little later in the day? How did you get to this part of the day from this morning? Did you travel through time? Yeah, I thought so. We're all time travelers. Time traveling is actually something that's quite simple and comes very naturally to us. In fact, we all do it, whether we want to or not. And you don't really need a time machine, and you don't really need a flux capacitor, or any of that stuff. You don't really need anything. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You'll make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. And at night, dear, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I must have drifted off there. Anyway, and that concludes my workshop titled How to Travel Through Time. I hope you all enjoyed it. That was a really nice nap. I feel a lot better now. If you have been having trouble sleeping, you are not alone. A lot of us have. I recommend that you try to get some exercise every day so you tire yourself out enough to be tired when it's time for bed. What are some other things that you guys are doing to make sure you get a good night's sleep? Please comment below and let us know. I look forward to talking to you about it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and look after yourself. Night-night. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.